How to silence unknown callers on iPhone. This is how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Apps. Tap Apps, then scroll to the P section and select Phone. Next, scroll down until you find Screen Unknown Callers. Here, you'll see three options: Never, Ask Reason for Calling, and Silence. Never allows calls from unsaved numbers to ring normally. Ask Reason for Calling asks unknown callers for more information before your iPhone rings, which can help filter out unwanted or spam calls. If you want to automatically silence unknown numbers, select Silence. Calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and still appear in your recents list. You can also enable call filtering to move missed calls and voicemails from unknown callers into a separate list, making them easier to manage. And that's how to silence unknown callers on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.